and welcome back. If you've come this far, it means you are ready to start your home care business. You are in the right place. My name is Eileen, and I'm the owner of H&D Associates, a consulting company that has helped business owners or potential business owners like yourself start, operate, and grow healthcare businesses. If you're ready to get your home care agency license, this video will walk you through the process step by step. Step one, research your state requirement. And to do this, you go to your state's Department of Health or Health Services website. Search for home care provider license or in home support services. Step two, complete the application. This usually includes basic information about your business, ownership, and services provided. You may need to list your admin, backup admin, and provide background checks for your staff and owners. Step three, prepare the required documents that they ask for, and that could include but not limited to policies and procedures. Example, infection control plan, emergency preparedness plan, client's rights, abuse prevention, etc. Step four, submit fees and documentation. Fees can range from $100 to $3,000 depending on your state. Submit all required attachments and business documents. Step 5, on-site inspection or survey. Many states will conduct a pre-licensure inspection. You must show your staff files, policies, equipment, and office setup. Step 6, approval or corrections. You may be asked to revise documents or fix small issues before final approval. If you need further guidance, grab our Licensing Prep Toolkit to simplify the entire process.